5 of these. Oh, they're hard to count too. 3, 4, 5 right there. They go in this guy right here. And then we seal it shut. And that's ready to go. All right, next step are these guys, 5 of them. That just goes in this little guy right here. There we go. Next, 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more. 5. Okay. And then the final step is you take the 5 cards, 5 ink strips, and the 5, we call these retabs, and you put them in the envelope. Right here. And you don't have to lick it. There we go. All right, this is the thing we want you to make. It's called the, well, you can see it right there.